Assalamu alaikum, dear student, welcome back. Today we are explaining spinal cord. Brain is already explaining previous lecture, and the combination of brain and spinal cord also called central nervous systems. And now we are explaining spinal cord. Spinal cord is a dorsal rod or column of nervous tissue that start from the brain stem or medulla oblongata and extend down to lumbar region or lumbar vertebrae. Okay, and the other definition of the spinal cord is that it is the cylindrical nervous tissue or nervous fiber that start from the brain stem or medulla oblongata to down to lumbar vertebrae. Now we are explaining the protection of spinal cord. There are two processes which involve in the protection of spinal cord. The first one is vertebrae. There is one hole in the vertebrae are called vertebral foramen. This foramen pass spinal cord. And other is the three thick layer, which is called meninges, which surrounding the spinal cord. This is a transfer sections. We explain this layer. This layer are called pia mater. Pia mater, it's mean innermost layer. And the second is our middle or between the pia and dura mater are called aragonite mater, which is the middle layer. And the last one is the dura mater. Now there is some cerebrospinal fluid present in the pia mater and aragonite mater, which is protection, which involve important rules, the protection of spinal cord. Okay, this question many papers repeated. Where present the cerebrospinal fluid? The student confused. The cerebrospinal fluid are present between the innermost and between the middle. Middle mean aragonite mater. This place is present cerebrospinal fluid. This is the transverse section of one pair of spinal cord. This is the sensory neurons which toward the body. It's mean away toward the body. And motor neuron is away from the body. It's meant to effector to carry the message to effector place. This is the dorsal region, dorsal side mean dorsal or posteriors or back also called. And ventral, it's mean the frontal anterior position and mean interior side of the spinal cord. Ganglia are present in the dorsal region. Many students are confused in which region the ganglia are present. Ganglia are present in the dorsal root. Okay, and what is ganglia? Ganglia is a special types of nervous tissues or nervous fibers. Okay, and what is the gray matter and white matter? Gray matter, it's mean non-myelinated, and the white matter are also called myelinated. It's mean this situation is or this condition is twice versa in brain. Brain is outer regions, the brain are gray, and inner region of brain is white matter. It's mean this condition is vice versa. Okay, now we are explaining some important function of spinal cord. The main function of spinal cord is that pathway for nerve impulse and nerve impulse pathway. The second function is that spinal cord connect our body part to brain, is a like bridge working. And the last one is that center for reflex actions. Inshallah we will explaining the other lecture in another lecture for making another lecture for reflex action. This is enough for today. Okay, students.